Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to check out something a little different. Now this here is called Popcorn for the People. And now this is a nonprofit that supports people with autism to get them employed. And you can go on the website, Popcorn for the People, and each bag costs around $7 plus shipping and handling, of course, but 100% of the profits go to support this great cause. So today with this unboxing, we're going to unbox it and review it to see all the different flavors that are available. Now, we have everything from caramel, Chicago baked cheddar, buffalo, so maybe a little spicier, right? French toast, that might be an interesting one. Chocolate caramel kettle, and cookies and cream. So really awesome looking and sounding flavors. It says all natural and handcrafted popcorn. So here I actually do have a little bit of an audience with me today. They're gonna help me try these out, and they're gonna let me know which ones that they like. But again, if you're looking for a nonprofit to support, this really seems like a great one for a great cause. So first, let's go ahead and start with the traditional caramel. So you're gonna open it. All these bags, they got a lot of air in it. So actually, you don't even need a scissor. You can go ahead and just open it that way. Go right here. There you go. And go ahead and try it. Now my hands are washed to make sure that we're working properly with proper hand washing. So what do you guys think of the caramel flavor?
I like it.
You like it? It's really good?
Good.
Oh yeah. It's
super duper good.
It tastes a little burnt.
It tastes burnt, you said. Okay.
It tastes like honey to me.
Tastes like honey. I would say this one's pretty good. It's not super sweet. So if you're not a fan of very sweet caramel popcorn, then that would be the way to go. So it does have a resealable tab here, which is nice. But at this size, you probably won't be resealing it, especially if you have family around. They will help you clear that out. Next on the list, we have Chicago baked cheddar. Any ideas what Chicago baked cheddar sounds like or tastes like? Because I don't know what that means. Any idea?
Like a cheddar chip?
Like a cheddar chip.
I don't think I should try because I'm too little.
Oh, you're too little for Chicago baked cheddar. Looks really cheddar-y. If you like mac and cheese, maybe it could be something like that, like a cheddar, right?
Tastes like cheese puffs.
Tastes like cheese puffs.
It tastes like Cheetos. Yeah.
No.
Cheetos.
I told you it's kind of like a couple of chips. It's not really spicy to me. Just a little tiny, but it's good.
It's pretty good.
It tastes like cheese puffs.
So do you think it's really cheesy? You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it has a very smooth cheddar, so it's not like that sharp cheddar. It's a very like smooth flavor to the cheese, right? It's not like gonna punch you right in the mouth. It's like, here's some cheddar cheese for you. So really, really good. You guys like this one?
Yeah.
All right. Now it says on the back here that this was actually started in 2015, so they've been around for a while now. Again, popcornforthepeople.com to check them out. Next on the list, we have the buffalo flavor. So what's buffalo going to taste like? Do you think it's going to taste like...
Spicy.
It's spicy, or does it taste like a real buffalo? Like hair and stuff? And meat? No?
Daddy!
All right, we think it's going to be spicy?
Oh, can I
I
get
think they
my water?
have a little tang.
Woo! No, I don't know.
Dad, can I get my water?
No, you're gonna do it without the water. Maybe let this guy right here help you out. Go ahead, try it.
Good.
That is a good one, yeah?
Spicy.
It's got like, I don't know, like a little.
A little bit of a kick, like a little bit of buffalo kick. Actually, give it a second. It gets you right after in the back of the throat. It's really good. Are you all right? You need a water real quick? That one is actually pretty good. So I do like that. What I will say is that the flavors, they're not like overpowering. So sometimes you get the chips from the store and you're like the sour cream and onion, it's just like disgusting. It tastes nothing like sour cream and onion. This is, I think, a good amount of flavor. Not too much, not too little. This one is...
It gets you in the back of the throat.
Unfortunately, guys, this one's mine. Sorry.
No, it's mine. No. Boo.
Next here on the list for Popcorn for the People, we have French toast flavor. Now, I'm not a big fan of a lot of sweet stuff, so this may be too much for me. And I still got the spicy one in the back.
Same. I still have it too.
All right. Let's see. I might like this one. This one actually smells really good.
Really?
I may be stealing both. And I wonder
Hey.
if anybody has done almost like the Jelly Bellies, where you kind of mix the different flavors and come up with your own flavor.
Tastes like cinnamon toast crunch.
Tastes like cinnamon toast crunch. You're right. Let's see.
It tastes like cinnamon.
This one is really crunchy. It does.
Yeah.
Cinnamon. It's like a type of
That
cereal.
one's really good.
Cinnamon cereal.
A cereal?
It tastes like cereal cinnamon.
Cereal cinnamon.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
That really tastes almost dead on to French toast.
Oh,
So-
more.
You want more? All right, we got 3 more to try, so make sure we're saving some room here, right? All right. Ours for another one. All right.
That one mine.
Next on the list, I know what do we have? 7 here. So yeah, we did have a little bit to check out. Again, popcornforthepeople.com. Check that out. Employing adults with autism. Chocolate caramel.
I don't know.
Okay.
I want chocolate.
This one's gonna be really good.
No, it's 2%.
Oh, man. So it doesn't have like little bits of chocolate in it. There's
Ooh, yeah.
caramel pieces and
It looks like it's
chocolate.
Is it dark chocolate or is it milk chocolate?
No.
I don't know. I'll get back to you on that one.
It tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like chocolate. So
Normal.
one interesting thing they have here in the back, of course they have their story, but then also it talks about this bag was labeled by different individuals. So like this one says labeled by Matthew, and his favorite flavor is actually French toast, and his job specialty is labeling popcorn bags and cups. And then you can see that there's a few different ones here. This was also Matthew. This is Audrey. It looks like Audrin. Also another one, the fan of French toast, and I can see why. So what did we think about that flavor?
It
Good.
tastes like the breakfast essential.
Yeah.
Breakfast?
It tastes
That's
like.
what it
It
tastes
tastes
like.
like breakfast
It tastes-
essential shakes.
I know what it tastes like. It
What?
tastes like milk with the chocolate stuff. Milk chocolate, those things.
Chocolate milk.
It's like a milk
Actually,
chocolate.
if I had to put from my memory, you guys remember what like Count Chocolate tastes like, or one of those ones, one of those breakfast cereals? That's kind of what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you-
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
All right, so we're down to the last 2 here, right?
Yep.
All right, we have the kettle corn. So we all know the kettle corn. They make it in that big copper kettle thing, right?
I don't know what that is.
Usually pretty sweet, sometimes overly sweet. You think it's gonna be too sweet? Or just a little sweet?
I think
Whoa, that
it's...
smells good. I might just get out of here and go eat this myself.
No.
Why?
Okay, fine. Whoa! Cookies and cream then.
That's right.
It tastes like normal popcorn, but with a...
So it has a little bit of a crunch, right?
To it. Yeah, and it tastes
Oh, yeah.
like
It's not
honey.
too sweet either.
It tastes like honey and like cinnamon and sugar. It tastes like and salt. That's
So again, it definitely has a little bit of a crunch, so it has that kettle coating to it. And like some of the ones in the store, it's not over the top with that
Can I have more?
way too sweet flavor.
More.
Just right, really good. The nice thing about this, if you look real quick,
Yummy.
that's almost full to the top, unlike some of the bags that you get in the stores, and the popcorn's probably like down to here. So you're getting a really good amount for the size of the bag, and supporting the great cause. So the last one here is the cookies and cream. So thank you everybody. It was nice seeing everyone
No,
here.
no, no.
Oh, you want to try this one? All right. Ooh, it does smell good. All right, so this one, just feeling the popcorn, it's not like that that texture coating where it's like really crispy on the outside. It's a little like, I don't know, how do you describe it? Like smooth
When you
feeling.
put it in your mouth, it's got like a little cold feeling to it.
Has a cold feeling to it.
It's like a chocolate pretzel with white and
It's like
black.
cookies and cream.
It tastes like chocolate, the little dots, and some frosting.
What do you think about that one? You guys really like that
It
one?
tastes like the little dots. Chocolate and the frosting tastes like vanilla, and it could glow in the dark.
I think it's pretty good. It's not really that sweet. I would actually expect that this would be sweeter. So out of all of them, guys and girls, which one do we like the best? We have
Frosting.
French toast, caramel, chocolate caramel, Chicago baked cheddar, kettle, buffalo, or cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. I'm torn between this one and this one.
Yeah.
I'm between buffalo and French toast.
Hey, Daddy. I like this one and caramel.
All right, awesome. I really like the buffalo one because you guys know that I really like the spicy stuff. But what I'm going to do real quick before we close it up, I am going to make one person here try a crazy mixture of it. Let's see.
I'll do it.
Oh, you're all going to do it. All right. So we're going to do French toast and buffalo.
Ooh.
French, you got to eat them at the same time. So let's see what they taste like.
3, 2, 1.
Is it a good mix?
Did you seriously put the spicy one in here?
I did seriously do that.
It's weird.
It's weird. So it's a lot like, you could probably do something almost like the jelly
No,
butter
I
challenges, right? Mix them and
No,
try to guess what they
but-
are.
It tastes like spicy chocolate.
Spicy chocolate.
For me, it did take the buffalo taste away.
Okay.
Yeah, it did.
Like the
for me.
spiciness, it
Yeah.
went away.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
So the caramel went away, but the spiciness was still there.
Awesome. All right, well, thanks, guys, for trying these out. Again, this is Popcorn for the People. 100% of the profits go to supporting people with autism and getting them employed. And obviously, it looks like they're also putting some of these bags together, which is great. So check it out, popcornforthepeople.com, and enjoy some popcorn. Go order some. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and we'll see you soon.